Hi friends, welcome to Stock Gen. Today we will see 6 golden rules to become a successful intraday trader. Before selecting a stock for intraday trading, one has to follow few important parameters. The first parameter is to analyze candlestick pattern of the previous day. If you see any candlestick forming hammer, that means the stock will most probably move bullish on the next day. For example, if you look at the chart on the screen, after the formation of hammer pattern on the chart, next day huge buying happened in the stock. People who bought on the next day were rewarded handsomely. If you see reverse hammer on the charts, that means the stock is bearish and most probably the stock might fall on the next day. If you look at the daily chart of IndusInd Bank formed reverse hammer on Thursday, and as expected, the stock was in selling pressure from the open of trade on Friday. The second parameter is to observe first 45 minutes. Check the high and the low of the stocks after 45 minutes. If the low and the open price of the stock is same, that means this stock is in bullish zone. Buyers are dominating the sellers from the beginning of the trade. Hence, it would be good to buy the stock for 1 to 2% intraday gain with the stop loss of day's low. For example, if you see the price action of Eicher Motors on Friday, its opening and low price of the stock is same, which is at 18,353.60, and if you observe carefully, buyers were dominating the entire trading session as shown on the screen. If the high and open are same, then it is bearish signal. That means there is a selling pressure in the stock from the time market open, and this stock likely is to go down further. Hence, keep stop loss at day's high or open, and you can short the stock or sell for 1 to 2% intraday gains. For example, if you look at the price action of HDFC Bank in NSE, the opening price and high price is almost the same. Opening price was around 1093 and high was around 1095.80, which is almost the same. If you observe carefully after opening, sellers were completely in control of the stock for the entire trading session. The third parameter is to observe if any stock is hitting high of the day constantly, which means buyers are dominating in the stock. Hence, we can buy the stock close to the highs of the day and keep 1% target. For example, Bharti Airtel, after opening at 561.8, made a higher highs on Friday on 15-minute and 30-minute candle charts. Similarly, if the stock is hitting lows of the day continuously, that means the stock is under selling pressure and sellers are dominating in that stock. Hence, we can sell the stock close to day's low and keep 1% target. For example, if you observe the chart of RBL Bank on Friday, it made lower lows on 15 and 30-minute candlestick chart. The fourth parameter is to analyze the charts. If the stock makes 3 to 4 red candles on 15-minute or 30-minute candlestick chart without any negative news, after continuous red candles, if you can see a green candle emerging or if a stock is consolidating, then we can safely assume that the stock has made 1 hour bottom and can likely see a bounce of 1 to 1.5%. Hence, we can buy for 1 to 1.5% return. For example, if you look at the 15-minute chart of Mahindra and Mahindra, after forming 6 to 7 negative candles with 1 positive candle, the trend is reversed and moved positively. Similarly, if any stock makes 3 to 4 green candles without any positive news, after continuous green candles, if you can see a red candle emerging, or if you see the stock is consolidating, then we can assume that the stock has made some top for next 1 hour and we can expect the stock to fall by 1 to 1.5%. For example, if you look at a 15-minute chart or Shriram Transport on Friday, after making 3 to 4 green candles, the trend reversed after 1 red candle. Remember guys, this strategy needs a lot of practice to become perfect. The fifth parameter is the triangle pattern. If we look at the image on the screen, if the stock breaks out above the trend line, then we have to be on the buying side. If you look at the daily chart of HDFC Life as shown on the screen, after the breakout of triangle on upside, it gave 10% return in few days. If the stock breaks below the trend line, then we have to be on sell side where we can get 1.5 to 2% on the sell side. Keep the stop loss as per the image shown on the screen. If you look at the 15-minute chart of Hindalco on the screen, after breakdown and close below the triangle, the stock fell significantly. Now let us move on to our sixth parameter, which is price action. If a stock trades in a range for 3 to 5 candles on a 5-minute chart, and if the stock gives breakout on upside, then we should be on buy side. And if the stock gives breakdown on the downside, then we should be on the sell side. And your stop loss should be the high or low of the candles. We can expect around 0.8 to 1% gains depending upon the trend of the market. Price action strategy is a vast subject, and we will come up with another video on price action strategy, inside candle strategy, and few others as well. Trust me guys, these are very important strategies which no one will teach you in stock market for free. Once you apply these strategies practically after becoming perfect, then you can earn significant amount in stock market. All the best to you all. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. One important thing to remember is to try these strategies with very less quantity or do paper trade initially, and once you become perfect and comfortable, then one can follow these strategies. We informed our observations made on IndusInd Bank, Bank Nifty, and Eicher Motors to our members on Friday that IndusInd Bank and Bank Nifty will fall after opening with a gap up on Friday. And Eicher Motors and Bharti Airtel was looking bullish on intraday. If anyone wanted to get personalized support, click on the link below and open a free demat account with Angel Broking. We will share timely and informative updates on markets. We will come up with more informative videos on stock market. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, please share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching the video. Take care.